Why does your scanner show the P0232 engine code? What does it mean? P0232 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel pump secondary circuit high. It indicates the ECM detects a high voltage signal in the fuel pump's secondary circuit when it should not be, potentially indicating a wiring or fuel pump relay problem. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel pump relay. Wiring issues. Short to voltage. Short to ground. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mercedes, and Chevy. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.